In today's digital age, it's crucial for businesses to have a strong online presence. One effective way to engage with website visitors and increase conversions is through the use of pop-up forms. However, creating custom, branded pop-ups with advanced targeting options can be a daunting task for those without technical skills. That's where Popup Hero comes in. As a drag-and-drop pop-up builder, Popup Hero makes it easy for businesses to create highly effective pop-ups without the need for coding knowledge. With Popup Hero, users can choose from a wide range of templates or design their own pop-up from scratch. The builder offers advanced targeting options that allow businesses to display pop-ups to specific audiences at specific times and on specific pages. This level of customization ensures that visitors are presented with relevant pop-ups that are more likely to convert. Popup Hero's user-friendly interface and intuitive drag-and-drop builder make it easy to create and customize pop-ups to fit your brand's unique style and message. Popup Hero is a drag-and-drop pop-up builder that creates custom, branded pop-ups with advanced targeting options. With over 100 dynamic templates to choose from, you can start building pop-ups in minutes without writing any code. Select a template based on your marketing goals, like collecting emails, sharing coupon codes, or promoting special offers. You'll also be able to, whether you're building pop-ups from scratch or using a template, you can easily drag and drop to arrange pop-up elements. You can choose from over 20 content blocks to enhance your pop-ups with elements like headlines, buttons, videos, and maps. You'll be able to customize colors, images, and copy to align with your brand and make changes as needed with real-time previews. Popup Hero also lets you integrate with tools like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Notion to make data collection easy. Whether you're building pop-ups from scratch or using a template, you can easily drag and drop to arrange pop-up elements. You can choose from over 20 content blocks to enhance your pop-ups with elements like headlines, buttons, videos, and maps. Plus, you'll be able to customize colors, images, and copy to align with your brand and make changes as needed with real-time previews. Popup Hero also lets you integrate with tools like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Notion to make data collection easy. Best of all, you use the power of AI to generate pop-up copy that gets your visitors' attention and drives them to take action. Popup Hero's AI content writer can create high-converting, personalized copy, making writer's block a thing of the past. All you need to do is give a brief description of your pop-up, and AI will whip up relevant copy almost instantly. With advanced targeting options, Popup Hero can display the right pop-ups to the right people at the right time. Target visitors by location, device, page activity, and referral sources, so your pop-up messages are always timely and relevant. You can create custom targeting conditions from website data and choose the exact pages where you want pop-ups to display. Plus, you'll be able to track performance over time with reports on pop-up impressions. Pop-ups should inspire visitors to do more than just hit X. Popup Hero Lifetime Deal Features Overview. You may quickly drag and drop pieces into the desired order while creating pop-ups from scratch or using a template. To give your pop-ups additional features like headlines, buttons, videos, and maps, you may pick from more than 20 content blocks. Furthermore, you may alter the wording, graphics, and colors to fit your brand while seeing real-time previews to make any necessary adjustments. To simplify data collection, Popup Hero also allows you to link with applications like Google Sheets, MailChimp, and Notion. You can create pop-up copy that engages your visitors and motivates them to take action by utilizing the power of AI. AI will create pertinent material relatively immediately once you provide a brief description of your pop-up. Sophisticated targeting settings enable it to show the appropriate pop-ups to the appropriate users at the appropriate times. In order to deliver timely and pertinent pop-up notifications, you should target users based on their location, device, page activity, and referral sources. Using website analytics, you can build your own targeting criteria and specify the precise sites on which pop-up ads should appear. Additionally, you will be able to monitor success over time with metrics on pop-up impressions and conversion rates. Utilize more than 100 pre-built themes, a drag-and-drop editor, and sophisticated targeting features to create pop-ups that are precisely targeted. Use the AI content writer to create tailored pop-up material that is compelling to save time. Good thing Popup Hero is packed with no-code and AI-powered tools that make it easy to design laser-targeted pop-ups that align with your marketing goals. Create pop-ups that convert. Wire Ipulate. Get lifetime access to Popup Hero today. One-time purchase of $29 only.